In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes and choosing Home at the bottom left corner to hit Themes at the top left one. Now you can check out all of those. Click on the search bar to type in whatever you want to, or select one of those categories here, like favorite characters. Either way, when you find perfect theme, click on it, choose download or buy it, and hit customize. Now for example, if you don't want to change look of your current icons, click on icons here, and then apply this theme without changing your icons. If you want to apply whole theme, tap on apply instantly and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my smartphone has changed. If you wanna go back to a default theme or find all of your other downloaded ones, go back to Themes app, go back to the main screen, and tap on My Account at the bottom right corner. Then select Themes at the top and click on any of them you wanna apply, one of your downloaded ones or one of those default ones, Classic or Limitless. Either way, when you're ready, hit Customize to, for example, leave your current wallpaper, or choose Apply instantly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!